Welcome to Webstar Plus. How to turn off chat history for ChatGPT. If you ask ChatGPT whether it remembers your previous chat or not, it replies that it has no recollection of your previous conversation. However, OpenAI utilizes chat data from ChatGPT to train its AI models. Nevertheless, you have control over what you share with OpenAI. OpenAI is progressively introducing new methods to manage your data in ChatGPT. Most recently, they have implemented the option for users to download their chats. Now, ChatGPT users have the ability to disable chat history, enabling them to select which conversations can be utilized to train OpenAI models. OpenAI has recently introduced the ability to disable chat history in ChatGPT. To view chat history settings, from three dots, click Settings, click at Data Controls, and this is the option: Chat History and Training. Save new chats to your history and allow them to be used to improve ChatGPT via model training. Unsaved chats will be deleted from our systems within 30 days. It's enabled by default so that you can see chat history in sidebar. You can disable this option to stop sharing chat history with OpenAI. Conversations that are started when chat history is disabled won't be used to train and improve AI models and won't appear in history sidebar. But there is something to be noted here. When chat history is disabled, OpenAI will still retain new conversations for 30 days and review them only when needed to monitor for abuse before permanently deleting. So if we go ahead and disable this option, we see a notice here: chat history is off. Chats won't be saved in your history or used for training our models to improve ChatGPT. Unsaved chats will be deleted from our system within 30 days. Let's start a random conversation. And now I am unable to switch model unless I clear the chat. So let's clear the chat, and here I can select the model. Let's ask another question. This chat was also not saved, as you can see. And now if I want to switch the model or start a new conversation, I'll have to click this button, Clear Chat. And now under GPT-4, I don't have browsing and plugins option. Let's enable chat history. And now we have got browsing option and plugins option under GPT-4. So right now, if you disable chat history, you won't get these options, browsing and plugins, under GPT-4 model. I'm not sure whether it's a bug or it's normal, but right now it is like this. Let's try one more time. Settings, data controls, disable chat history, GPT-4, and now we don't have plugins and browsing feature. So this is kind of a private mode with ChatGPT where you can disable chat history. Let me know your thoughts in comments. And this is how you can turn off chat history in ChatGPT. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.